The following video tutorial will show you two ways to use the Drill Deck cognitive reaction cards in context to the Rockwell RTG targets. Before we get to the tutorial, I should mention these cards can be used in many other ways than what the video shows. You are only limited by your imagination and creativity. Your target should be placed downrange at a distance you're comfortable with. The cards can be placed on a table, in your pocket, or in a holder on your belt. Now let's get started and draw our first card. The numeral 6 in the yellow triangle cues you to put 6 shots in the yellow triangle, as shown here. Let's flip another card. In this case, you will put 3 shots in the red circle. It should look similar to this. Let's flip another card. In this case, you will put 8 shots in the red square. It should look similar to this. I'm sure you get the hang of it by now, but let's flip another card. In this case, you will put 7 shots in the yellow square. It should look similar to this. Before I flip another card, I need to explain another indicator you will see on the next card. Until now, your position has been static in relation to the target, but the drill deck incorporates movement indicators represented by colored stripes. So let's flip that next card. Your first indicator will now be the colored stripe, which means to move to that position before engaging the target. Let's go to our virtual range to show you what I mean. Here you see the target placed downrange in colored cones spaced laterally and parallel to the target. So in the case of the blue stripe, you'll move to the blue cone first and then engage the target based on the card indicators. An alternate cone configuration could be to place the colored cones perpendicular to the target, facilitating movement up and down the range. There are a multitude of ways you can use the movement indicators, and these are just 2 examples. Now let's get back to the cards. In this case, you will move to the blue position first, then put 4 shots in the blue square. It should look similar to this. Before flipping the next card, you will stay in the blue position. So let's flip our last card. In this case, you will move to the yellow position and put 5 shots in the blue circle. That concludes this tutorial. We guarantee this will be a solid part of your training, either by yourself, with friends, or with instructors. Click on the link for more drill decks for other targets. Now get out and train.